I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a diffuser for a middle part. Begin with hair that is about 60 to 70% dry after towel drying. Next, apply a generous amount of heat protectant evenly throughout your hair, followed by a volumizing mousse, focusing on the roots. Finally, use a comb to establish your precise middle part before you start diffusing. Now let's focus on the roots. Set your diffuser to a medium heat and low speed to prevent frizz. Take small sections of your hair, gently cupping them at the roots with the diffuser attachment. Lift your hair upwards, holding the diffuser in place for about 10 to 15 seconds per section. This technique helps to create lift and volume right where you need it most. Once your roots are mostly dry, move on to the lengths and ends. Maintain the medium heat and low speed settings. Gently scrunch sections of your hair into the diffuser bowl, allowing the air to circulate and dry your strands. Rotate the diffuser slowly to ensure even drying on all sides. This method helps to enhance your natural texture and minimize frizz for a smooth finish. To complete your look, switch your diffuser to the cool shot setting and blast your hair for about 30 seconds. This helps to seal the cuticle and set your style, adding shine. Finish with a light mist of flexible hold hairspray or a small amount of anti-frizz serum, about the size of a pea, to tame any flyaways. Remember to avoid touching your hair too much to maintain volume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.